Hi there, this is Muhammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn all about watch window calculation options that are present in calculation group. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let me make you understand all about watch window that is present there. Let me tell you, or let me repeat that any option that I use in Microsoft Excel is mostly related to something that I have to be typing. Like I have to be making sort of a small table in which you'll make this, in which you'll observe that, in which you'll understand that much more properly. So let's try to make a small sort of table. Names, English subject, bio subject, history subject. Let me type some of the names. I have almost typed maybe 12 of the names. So let me type some uncertain marks. Let me type some more of the marks in history subject. These are some sort of marks that are not sure or that are maybe not real. Well, I have created a small sort of table. So what I have to do, I have to be typing, or I have to be calculating all of the amounts that I have typed as English marks. I have to be making the total of these. Like for example, I have to type the formula, or either I want to go for auto sum formula that is present inside formulas tab. Hit enter. 625 is the total of English. 401 is the total of bio subject, and 512 is the total of history subject. What I have to do is to type total over there and select these four and go for home, change the color, or maybe just cell color. Well, let me zoom it in little bit. So let me make you understand. For example, if I come at the bottom, if I come down at the bottom, there are total that are present there. So if I go back, there are some of the subject names that are priorly typed. Well, anytime you want to edit any of the mark, like for example, I want to type instead of 1299, hit enter. Make sure you are observing this place, so it is being changed because calculation is done over there. If you want to edit that furthermore, like 25 I want to type, now the total is 488. If I hit enter, the total becomes 499. So I cannot know that this is the total of which sort of subject, which subject. If I go at the bottom, if I go at the top, I can know that this is bio subject. But if I come down and see the total of that, I cannot go at the top and come down again time and again, because that must be time consuming also and some sort of confusing option. So what I have to do is to select these four cell and go for formulas, and over there I have watch window. Make sure to click on that and add watch 8 and sort of boxes there. Click that, I get at the top and put it there. Now it is not sort of confusing. If you go at the top, and now anytime you are able to be typing any sort of amount, and you can have the result over there. See, if I just edit any sort of amount over there, see, the total is being changed. You can see that all of the amounts are generating over here and are also observable over here. So you're not supposed to be bothering yourself to time and again go at the bottom or come at the top. So this is something that is used for making watch window. And let me make you understand furthermore. Make sure you are changing any of the value, any of the calculation. For example, this is 2020, this is 22. If I change that into 100 and hit OK, that becomes 6 or 0, because the calculator is being set on sort of automatic system. If I go and click on manual, now this time if I go and change the amount, now you can see that calculation is stopped. Why? Because I have clicked on manual. So there is a sort of solution for that. Either you want to click on calculate now or calculate sheet. If you click on any one of them, that can give the result. See, that becomes 505 or 505. Similarly, if you want to go and change the marks of Pawan, English marks of Pawan, make sure to type 88, hit OK, that no sort of calculation is calculated. So what I recommend you is to go for calculate sheet. Now you see that converts or that calculates, and click back on automatic. Now any amount I want to type, I can type, and I'm free to type. So that is what I have taught you in this small sort of tutorial, which I have taught you some sort of calculation and watch window that cannot bother you using time and again your scroll wheel of the mouse. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.